Wait, have you ever wondered why your money suddenly becomes worthless when you cross a border? Why can $1 buy you a coffee in America, but in Vietnam the same dollar gets you an entire meal? This makes absolutely no sense, right? I was just as confused as you are until I discovered the shocking truth behind currency values, and what I found out will completely change how you see money. If you've ever felt ripped off at a currency exchange or wondered why some countries are rich while others are poor, you need to watch this video right now because the answer is more fascinating than you think. Welcome to Dollar Drama, where we uncover the hidden secrets of money and economics that affect your everyday life. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest mysteries in the financial world. Why does money have different values across countries? Why isn't $1 equal to €1 or €1? And most importantly, why do these values keep changing every single second? Make sure you subscribe to Dollar Drama and hit that notification bell because we're about to reveal the truth. Let's jump right in. To understand why currencies have different values today, we need to go back in time. For many years, money was directly connected to precious metals, especially gold. This system was called the gold standard. Under this system, every country's currency was backed by a specific amount of gold. For example, the American dollar was tied to a fixed amount of gold. This kept currency values stable because governments couldn't just print unlimited money without having enough gold to back it up. But as the world economy grew bigger and international trade expanded, countries found it harder to keep enough gold reserves. By the 1970s, most countries had switched to fiat money. Fiat money is currency that has value simply because the government declares it has value and people trust it. It's not backed by any physical asset like gold anymore. The value of fiat money depends entirely on whether people want it or not. If many people want a particular currency, they compete to get it, which drives the value up. But if nobody wants that currency, its value crashes. This is pure supply and demand economics. That's why currencies from strong economies like the American dollar are worth more, because millions of people want to use them. Meanwhile, currencies from struggling economies are worth almost nothing. The first major factor affecting currency value is inflation. Inflation happens when currency starts losing its purchasing power over time. Simply put, there's more money circulating compared to actual goods and services available. When a country experiences high inflation, its currency value decreases dramatically. Why? Because people don't want to hold a currency that keeps losing value. In 2022, you could buy 2 loaves of bread for $10. But due to high inflation, 2 years later, that same $10 can only buy you 1 loaf of bread. A perfect example is Zimbabwe. In the 1980s, the Zimbabwean dollar was worth more than the American dollar. 1 Zimbabwean dollar equaled 1.35 American dollars. But due to terrible government policies, corruption, and reckless money printing, the value collapsed completely. By the 2000s, 1 American dollar equaled almost 600,000 Zimbabwean dollars. Eventually, they gave up and started using foreign currencies like the American dollar. The second major factor is interest rates. Interest rates are the cost of borrowing money as a percentage. Central banks like the Federal Reserve control interest rates. When a country sets high interest rates, it offers better returns on investments, attracting foreign investors. These investors must buy that country's currency to invest, which increases demand and strengthens the currency. However, countries cannot make interest rates too high because it makes borrowing expensive for regular people and businesses, which slows the economy. The third factor is country stability and foreign investment. When a country is politically stable with a growing economy, foreign investors feel safe investing there. They need the local currency to invest, which increases demand. But investors look for political stability, consistent laws, low corruption, and economic growth. If a country keeps changing rules or has frequent protests, businesses won't invest there. The fourth factor is exports and imports. When Japan exports cars worldwide, other countries need Japanese yen to buy those cars, increasing demand. When America convinced oil-producing countries to sell oil only in American dollars, it created massive demand for dollars since every country needs oil. This petrodollar system made the American dollar the world's dominant currency. The fifth factor is fixed currency pegging. Some countries peg their currency to a stronger country's currency for stability. Brunei pegs its dollar 1-to-1 with Singapore's dollar. Belize pegs to the American dollar at a fixed rate. This creates stability, but complete dependency on the stronger economy. So these are the main reasons why currencies have different values and why those values constantly change. Understanding these factors helps you make smarter decisions about money and international travel. Here at Dollar Drama, we keep bringing you the secrets of money and finance that affect your daily life. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and share this video. Subscribe to Dollar Drama for more eye-opening content about economics and money systems. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll answer them. Remember, understanding money is understanding power. Thanks for watching Dollar Drama, and I'll see you in the next video.